Ka-chow!
And welcome to Disney's Art of Animation Resort.
If you've ever dreamed of stepping into your favorite Disney movie, you can do it here.
Join us as we check out the rooms, including the unique family suites, delicious dining, the biggest resort pool at Disney World, and all the different ways you can get to the parks from here.
The Art of Animation lobby is just a rainbow of colors. It really pays tribute to that Disney animation feel.
I love all the sketches on the wall, and you can see the progression of the characters from black and white to having more color.
You also can check in here. This is where the front desk is. And back at the entrance, there's a children's area. While mom and dad are checking in, the kids can play.
And then up here, this chandelier is really cool. There's all this concept art up there, and there's some Easter eggs, like you can find Jodie Benson's signature on the Ariel one.
How fun is that?
And behind us, out those doors, you'll find the buses that you can take to the theme parks, water parks, and Disney Springs.
We also have the ink and paint shop where you can do all your shopping, and then the food court with breakfast, lunch, and dinner options.
And then over here for a little fun, we have the arcade for the kids.
That is so cool.
First, let's check out a Cars family suite.
I'm so excited.
These are one of the most unique rooms at Disney World and just the cutest theming. These rooms sleep 6. You have a pull-down table bed that sleeps 2, sofa couch that pulls out and sleeps another 2, and then 2 in the main bedroom.
The living area is so spacious. You have a kitchenette with a microwave, a good-sized mini fridge. It looks like a toolbox. Is that what it looks like to you?
Super cute.
It's also convenient with the coffee pot right here. This couch, I want to take this home with me. This looks like an old car seat.
Oh yeah.
And like you said, it makes a double bed sleeper. I love the touches. It looks like a road map.
And then there's a great view of the cozy cone pool too.
Wow.
I love those cone cabanas.
So festive. You have lots of drawer storage here, keeping with the
toolbox theme, super
theme.
cute.
And with your sofa, you have an extra pillow and a blanket.
Plenty of place to hang your clothes.
Yes.
In here we have a car wash themed bathrooms.
This cracks me up, this car wash.
I love these vibes here. You have hand soap, body lotion, and then a hair dryer so you can leave that at home. And then over in here, this is literally a car wash in here. I love the bubble tiles. And then you have shampoo, conditioner, and body wash, so you don't have to worry about that. One of the things is I love is it's so well designed in here to maximize the space. So this table here is doing double duty. You can take your mobile order and bring it back and eat here or do work. It's great for a laptop, but this also pulls down.
At nighttime.
You make a double bed.
These are so comfortable.
And look at Sleeping Mater, he's so cute.
And on either side of the bed, keeping with the toolbox theme, we have a little storage. We have some USB ports and outlets on both sides. So you are set.
I love that they look like they're gonna roll out.
I know, that is so cute.
And then here is the main bedroom.
Wow.
We have these really cute lamps that look like traffic cones,
Oh,
and they
those
have
are so
both plugs
neat.
and USBs on both sides of the bed. And then this is a queen size bed. You have storage underneath for luggage.
Brilliant. We have the cones continuing on even the drapes. Some more storage here with the TV. And then behind the door, extra pillow and blankets. You have a safe for your valuables and an ironing board and an iron.
I love all the hanging things.
Can't have too many hangers for sure.
And then over in the bathroom, we have a shower, another sink, continuing out with the car wash theme, another hair dryer, and then of course hand soap, body lotion, and then there we have shampoo, conditioner, and body wash.
And that's a stand-up shower, which is really nice. It's a good size shower.
Let's check out one of the Finding Nemo family suites. This room is Finding Nemo themed. It's the room my family picked when we first stayed here. My dog is named Nemo, so it's very special to us. It has, this is a table bed that comes down, it's full-sized. These cute little coral chairs make you feel like you're under the sea. And then over here we have another bed. The sofa pulls out to another full size. And then super cute, the fish, just like in the movie, are making fish over here and then a turtle back here. In the bathroom, there is a porthole that makes you feel like you're in a submarine. Fish are friends and not food. And then Bruce having his little meeting on the shower curtain. Over here in the main bedroom, there is a queen size bed and then lots of drawer space with super cute Merlin and Nemo over there. And then another bathroom with porthole mirror, super cute detail.
Let's take a look at a Lion King family suite. We are entering the Pride Lands. I love the jungle vibes in here. Pumbaa and Timon would love the bugs on the table. This table, it's a pull-down bed, a double pull-down bed, so you can put some kids on there if you like. Here in the master, I love that the master has a door for some privacy. It has a comfy queen-size bed looked over by Zazu. You have the jungle curtains, lots of storage in your woodsy drawers, underbed storage as well. Beautiful. The master bath carries through with the jungle theme, lots of leaves. You have the single sink with your soap and lotion, blow dryer, shampoo, conditioner on the stand-up shower. Coming into the main living area, we have a kitchenette with a mini fridge and sink, your coffee pot right there, microwave even, that really comes in handy for warming up snacks. We have a seating area, another television, which is awesome for families. Then we have this sleeper sofa, which pulls out to make a double sleeper. There you go. And you have an extra pillow and blanket ready for a cozy night in the jungle. One of the best parts of these family suites is the second bathroom. This one carries through with the foliage and the bugs. You have a blow dryer, a second blow dryer, which is amazing for getting ready in the morning, a shower tub combo. There's also a full-length mirror here, and we have Pumbaa and Timon on the shower curtain, which is so fun. While the family suites are a great option at this resort, you might want a standard room. And we have the Little Mermaid standard rooms here, and they have their own beautiful pool area, the Flip and Fins pool. There's laundry facilities and bathrooms, and the theming here is just top-notch with all the characters. Great place to take photos and enjoy the Little Mermaid. And now we're going to take a look at a Little Mermaid standard room. These rooms are perfect for your Little Mermaid fan. They have all the details, all the characters. I see Flounder, Prince Eric. You have 2 queen-size beds. We have the Hey Disney on the nightstand, as well as some power outlets. You have a couple of USB ports back there. Your coffee pot is a Cuisinart. You can have the 2 service with your prepackaged coffee, and a beverage cooler. Handy dandy for keeping your drinks cool, a little table to work. I love the hooks where you can hang your backpack or your raincoats. I love the art on this curtain. It also serves a practical purpose in case someone's getting ready inside while people are getting ready. In the other part of the room, you have a single sink, some storage with your blow dryer, makeup mirror. Love this mirror with the shell theming. I have some hangers, a iron and ironing board and safe, extra pillow and blankets, and the shower curtain is so cute. We have Ariel welcoming us with her Who's Its and What's Its. You also have shampoo on the wall so you don't have to pack yours. Dude, talk about a totally righteous pool. We're at the Big Blue Pool, which is the main pool, just off the lobby. It's the largest pool on property. There's actually 3. It's also the largest resort pool at Walt Disney World Resort.
This pool is great for little ones, not only because of all the cute characters around, but the pool is 0 entry, which is great for my nephew. There are also life jackets in all sizes. And right back here, there's a super cute splash pad, which is great for little ones with Nemo and Merlin.
It's so fun. And there's so many activities here throughout the day. You never know, there could be a dance party or a craft. There's an activities board where you can see. My family's favorite is the movies under the stars out here by the pool. That is just a dreamy way to end your night.
I love that when you're not ready to go to sleep quite yet.
Exactly.
I'm always wanting to maximize my Disney day, so if you want to head to the pool on checkout day, the bathrooms back there actually have showers and lockers.
And right next to the bathrooms are a laundry facility. And if you're lucky enough to be on vacation long enough, you might need to do laundry.
And also back there, there is the drop-off bar if you want to get snacks or drinks. I love the lava smoothie. In addition to the family suites, you can join Squirt here at the playground. There are lots of different sizes of slides and caves to explore.
It's also a fantastic photo op. We're in the Cars section of Art of Animation. This area is themed to the movie Cars. There's so many characters, life-size cars.
I feel like we're right in the middle of Radiator Springs.
I really do, and you can take pictures here. This is a great place to take pictures. Scenes from the movie, you really feel like you're immersed in the world.
Some of the other places to explore are the Little Mermaid area. My sister and I are obsessed with that movie, so we love to take pictures of the Ariel when we're here.
My family really likes the Lion King section. We stayed there for a girls' trip once, and we took so many pictures with Rafiki. They have they're life-size characters over there.
Cool.
Everywhere you go, just so neat.
And then of course Finding Nemo, which is my family's favorite.
Of course, those seagulls. I have to get a picture of the giant seagulls every time I'm there.
Here we're going into Landscape of Flavors. This is the quick service eatery here where you can get breakfast, lunch, and dinner.
This area carries through the animation theme. We've got the 4 Disney and Pixar movies that we've seen throughout the resort.
All of the artwork is really cool that you can see throughout the place.
There's something for everybody at this food court. They're grab and go items. We have burgers, nachos. I love the themed desserts.
The Nemo cupcake is super cute.
Oh,
You can also mobile order here, and you can do that right in the app. So you just go here, begin order, pick your window, and then you can see there are so many different options.
So
here.
many.
This is one of the best food courts at Disney, I think. I had the Mongolian beef, which was delicious. Is that good?
I'm a pasta girl, so I had the pasta with meatballs, which was awesome. The breadstick, I tell you.
You can see they have burgers, different sandwiches.
They even have some plant-based options.
Plant-based options.
I love that.
Then, of course, desserts, my favorite.
Of course, desserts. I think it's time to go get some desserts.
One of the other things you can do is the running trail here. This is one of my favorite running trails at Disney World because it's so pretty around the lake. It's 1.3 miles, but if you're doing a long run, if you're training for a Run Disney race, you can add the different loops around the different themed areas.
That is very cool. It's so beautiful here. My husband and I aren't runners, but we love to walk around the lake like in the morning or in the evening and kind of talk about our day. It's really fun.
So pretty.
Yes. And don't forget, this resort is one of the dog-friendly resorts at Disney World, so you don't have to leave your fur baby at home.
I would love to bring Miko. There are also pet relief areas throughout the resort, and you can find them on the app.
There are many ways to get to the theme parks from Art of Animation. One of my favorite ways is the Disney Skyliner.
I love that it feels like you're going on a ride even before you get to the park. Here we are on the Skyliner. You can take it to Epcot or Hollywood Studios.
It is like the first attraction of the day for my family. We really love the Skyliner.
You can see Pumbaa and Ursula, and I love to spot the characters on the different Skyliners.
And from Art of Animation, your first stop is at the Caribbean Beach Station, which is actually the hub, and you can transfer there.
From here, you can take the Skyliner to Hollywood Studios or to Epcot.
You can also grab a Joffrey's here. There's a Joffrey stand, so a great way to start your day.
Another transportation option are the buses, which you can take to Magic Kingdom and Animal Kingdom.
There are also buses to Disney Springs and the water parks.
And there's also minivan service, which you can pick up from here too. Right off the lobby, we have the ink and paint shop. I love that the name is a nod to the ink and paint department at the Walt Disney Animation Studios.
Oh, you're right. I love the theme. Look at all the paint bottles and the decor.
There's so much resort-specific merchandise here. Beach towels, t-shirts for kids and adults, mugs, and my family always buys an ornament for anywhere we stay.
I love that. That's a great keepsake. Here we have some backpacks that are Art of Animation, even ears. That's awesome. I love that they have all these items in case you forget them, because I'm always forgetting something.
Swim diapers, my sister's always forgetting that.
They have a lot of over-the-counter medications. We had a fantastic time at Art of Animation today. I really enjoyed looking at those family suites and Little Mermaid rooms. They were so beautiful.
We had a delicious lunch, checked out the pools.
Got to ride the Skyliner. Love that.
If you have any questions about Art of Animation Resort or any of the other Disney resorts, come visit us at planDisney.com.
Now let's go to the parks.